shall be using Microsoft Edge browser for this short tutorial. You can actually use other browsers, but this one works for us. So we'll tap on our Microsoft Edge browser and it opens to the Edge browser page. We'll go to the address bar and type the URL, that's Universal Resource Locator, or what you normally call the web address. So start with portal.jamb.gov.ng. It's already one of the addresses we visited recently, so it's on the browser history. You're going to see that, and we click on go, and it gets us to the home page. You go to the topmost right hand corner and you see login, create a facility /login, and it will bring us to this page. You can alternatively go to efacility.jamb.gov.ng/login to get you to the login page directly. Now we have some candidates details stored already, so once we click on each one, it populates the username and the password and opens the candidates portal. Now you go down to the last item, check admission status, the one ticked good, that is purple in color. It will bring out access my CAPS and check admission status. So when you click on access my CAPS, you will see the candidate's CAPS dashboard. When you check for my O level, it's going to bring out the candidate's O level details. Now if you notice, we'll be using the desktop mode. That's more preferable, so you can refresh if you just uploaded your O level details recently. You can go back and then see that you have the candidate's dashboard. Other things are also available. Thank you. You can subscribe and drop your comments if you have any questions.